Hello and welcome everyone in YouTube Variety Stick. Around 6 months ago, Metropcs came with the Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime, but Metropcs after that realized that 16 GB is not enough. This is the J7 Prime in 32 and also comes with different color, and this is my unboxing video, so let's find out. Now, for those people not familiar with the Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime with Metropcs, it was the first one came to Metropcs, as I said. It's around 7 to 6 months, and this phone was gold, and the phone has only 16 GB storage. Now, Metropcs has produced the phone again with more memory, which is, in my opinion, makes a lot of sense for those people want to buy a phone, especially with the range price of $149, because there is a lot more phones that Metropcs they're pushing, like the Alcatel A30 Fierce and the LG K20, the ZTE Blade Max. These phones are 32 GB, and Samsung J7 Prime has more price tag and less internal storage, which doesn't make any sense. But anyways, here is the phone, and let's go ahead have a look on the box. The box will show that this phone is black, is not gold anymore. So if you get to the store and you will see the gold version, means this phone has only 16 GB. I just want to pay your attention about this point. So, and then the specs, they're not going to be any difference over here. But for those people they don't know or they're not familiar with the J7 Prime specifications, let's go ahead and take a look on the specs. It's for GLTE 5-inch high definition. We don't have full HD, we don't have fingerprint, we don't have USB type C. It will be 8 megapixel camera, no improvements. That's for the rear, and the 5 it will be for the front, and 1.6 octa-core processor, and this is Exynos processor. I have already done for review for that phone. If you be interested, I will be leaving the link on the description box for those people who want to see more. This phone doesn't have any changes to the previous one except the memory and the color. So this phone also comes with the removable battery and this charger. It doesn't have fast charge, by the way. So let's go ahead now and crack this box open and have the first look on the phone. I know a lot of people in the channel, they comment about they want the J7 Prime to be in black color, and there we go. This is how the phone's gonna look. This is very identical for the J3 Prime, but the difference will be a bigger screen and bigger memory and absolutely better specs. Let me set the phone on the side and see the content on the box. It will be the SIM card, and you have the manual, start guide, different languages. I don't think so no one read this. And we have the mini USB 2 charging cable, and we have a standard charger wall adapter, as you guys can see, and this is not support quick charge. And this long battery over here, which is the phone has removable battery, which is good in my opinion. As I said, like, this phone has no any difference between the gold except the color and the storage on the phone. Let me just set everything on the side because I'm not going actually through this phone. It won't be any difference than what we had seen. Let's focus a little bit on the phone and how the phone is gonna look. So, and the build construction. So it has that plastic. Just remove the plastic, and from the back it's kind of the matte finish. This is a plastic and it's removable, so you can replace the battery if something happened in the future. And there is a little tab over here where you can open it, and then where the SIM card go and the memory card, and you can just snap the battery. This is the 8 megapixel camera, and this phone has the speaker on the side. The power key will be on the right, and then we have the home key over here, no fingerprint attached with it, and the Android capacitive keys as well. 5.5 inch for the display. As I said, like for those people who want to see more information about this device, they will find in the description box my full review for the J7. It won't be any difference in the performance except the memory, and now Metro PCS coming with a new color. And that's wraps it up for that video. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Subscribe for more content on Varieties Tech. Hit the bell if you want to be notified and be the first one who watch my videos. And thank you so much everyone for watching. As always, we'll talk to you in the next one.